Good afternoon, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your MediaWiki private, internal wiki private. So for example, if you have a business that you want to use internally, you're not using it for some sort of fan website or something, you're using it strictly as a company wiki, you probably don't want to share that with the public. So this is how you can basically restrict access so that only people whose profiles you make can sign in, and then obviously you can just delete their profiles if they leave the company and revoke access. So this is probably the easiest and most straightforward way to basically restrict access and keep things private. Although if you have like a 2,000 or 3,000 person team, it's probably not the best way to do it, but we're talking small teams today. So this is what it looks like. This is our law firm wiki that I've been working on. If I was to try to look at it not logged into the browser, in incognito, you're going to get a login required page. This is what it's going to look like if you have it set up correctly. So to do this, you are going to need to go and download your local settings file, local settings.php file. That's where the changes need to be made. So you're going to go into your cPanel, click on File Manager, and then you will end up here. And then you're going to find your local settings.php file, click on it, and download it. And then open it up. So this is your local settings file. You're going to need to add some specific language, which I've already added, and I'll show you where it is. So MediaWiki, as you might guess, being a wiki website, already has the lines of code pre-saved somewhere for you to get to. It's this page right here, manual preventing access. I will provide a link to this page so that you can just copy and paste this. But this is the three you want. So this first one makes it so anonymous people can't read. The second one makes it so anonymous can't edit. And then this last one makes it so the only people that can create accounts are system ops, basically admins. So you're going to grab that language, and then you'll see I have it right here. So if it has the pound sign in front of it, that just means it's informational. And then this is actually changing the permissions. So what you're going to do is you're going to put that information into your local settings file. You're going to save it. And then you're going to go back into your file manager. You're going to go to upload. And then you're going to go into your downloads folder or wherever you saved it. Then click and drag, copy. I'm not going to overwrite it, but you're going to hit overwrite and save. And then you're good to go. That's all you need to do. So I will give you a link to this so that you have access to it. And just so you know, in case you're wondering where to add new users, you need to be logged in with an admin account, and then special pages, and then you'll have create account button right here. So that is how you make your MediaWiki private. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.